For over 30 years, BTB from Bendigo, Australia, has specialised in auto body repairs and auto glass installation. Over those years, auto repairers have had to cope with some very primitive yet widespread methods to remove adhesive-fitted auto glass and accessories. And as you may already know, these methods usually result in cracked glass, damage to vehicles or their accessories, and are a risk to your health. Is this how you remove these parts? Fortunately, BTB's unique patented windshield removal toolkit is rapidly changing all this and is now recognised worldwide as the ultimate in auto glass removal tools. This unique design provides the ultimate solution for removing urethane and adhesive fitted windshields, rear lights and window glass, modular glass, encapsulated mouldings and body protection mouldings. In fact, this amazing tool can service small glasses, large glasses, heated glass, curved glass, and UV or black banded glass. This design allows them to cut 100% of the sealant, exclusively from the glass and from inside the vehicle, without force or leverage. This allows for the safe removal of all types of glass and laminated windshields, including all forms of urethane sealant hidden below dashboards. Because the cutout is now complete, the glass and the moulding are loose and more accessible, which allows easier and final release of the glass. The glass and moulding simply lift out, or the glass simply slides down and out of the moulding. If necessary, you can insert one of these special accessory blades to release the glass from the moulding. The moulding is still attached to the sealant, but the glass once more slides down and out of the moulding. Regular blade tips or serrated tips are optional. These serrated blades allow very fast cutouts. When using these special fast cutting blades, you should also hold the tool like this and use a sawing action, and are ideal for the safe removal of most modular glasses and windshields with encapsulated mouldings. Every toolkit has a variety of controller arms. They're used to stop the blades cutting too deep and damaging the paintwork or interior trim. They're also fitted underneath like this. Now the blade is reciprocating away from the glass, and the controller arm steers the blade over the encapsulated moulding, avoiding damage to the glass and the moulding. So far, you've been watching BTB's exclusive internal cutting blades. Now you're watching BTB's equally exclusive powered cold knife blades, used in the same BTB power tool. These blades are available in left and right, and a variety of tip lengths. They work very similar to the normal hand-operated cold knife, but are simply powered by the air tool. As no manual system or force applies, this reduces the high risk of injury to hands, limbs, necks and eyes. Remember, applying regular lubrication is important. Incredibly, these blades are also used for the safe removal of encapsulated glass and mouldings. The blades simply insert under the edge of the encapsulated moulding, and push the moulding flap to one side. This insulator protects the paintwork. These blades can also be used from the inside for the likes of quarter glass and hatch glass. BTB's powered cold knife blades, used in the same BTB power tool. Only BTB's blades are designed to be used manually and in this small, powerful tool. And all blades can be sharpened many times. But let's not forget the many other optional uses that apply with BTB's unique tool. For example, this blade solves the tough job of removing urethane backfill, applied mostly between glasses or the glass and the body. And this system can quickly remove auto parts fixed with adhesive, such as body side protection mouldings, without damaging the moulding, emblem or painted panel. Use the long flat blade to cut along the moulding and avoid excessive bending of the moulding. Then use the tool in a similar way to auto glass removal. Can you believe that you can also remove adhesive tape or urethane from the back of the moulding? So far, we've seen this amazing air-powered toolkit used only on domestic vehicles. But it works just as well when replacing glass on passenger buses, in fact all types of transport vehicles where glass is fitted using adhesive sealant. The tool also comes with this very handy saw attachment, allowing you to cut through a wide range of lightweight automotive material. This lubricates the blade and will make cutting far easier, provide a protective coating on the glass, and eliminate heat. This unique cutting method also reduces any health or personal injury concerns for the operator, as there's no heat or toxic fumes, no dangerous noise levels, or vibration to cause hand or white finger problems, and there's no need for physical force. The operator remains comfortable, confident and professional, and every cutout can be done by just a single person. If the nylon cap is held against the glass, the blade tip will be at the correct angle for cutting the sealant. Finally, to ensure success and your own safety in all the operations shown in this video, training and practice are essential. You've now seen BTB's superior tool and blade system, which operates from the inside or the outside and services any installation on any model for any vehicle worldwide. BTB's amazing and patented removal system is now setting new standards worldwide. Isn't it time you too joined the BTB revolution?